Hey guys, my name is Trina. Today's video is a first impression and review on Retro Glam Eyeshadow Palette. If this is your first time here and you want to learn more about makeup, please don't forget to click the subscribe and the notification bell so you don't miss any beauty videos. I prime my lids. Now this is the eyeshadow palette. Inside, you can see this is how it looks like from the inside. Okay, so these are the swatches from the first row. So this one, I'm reading the palette. This one is called Jazzy, and this one is called Oscar, and this one is Evergreen and Marlin. So these are it right here, the ones I just swatched, the first row. Okay, so I just swatched the second row, which is right here. The second row the first row right here. This one is called Maxi. This one is called Sage. This pink one is called Holy. And this one is called Fringe and Faye. Okay, so I swatched the last row, which is right here, the last row. Shimmy shade right here. It's called Flutter. This brown shade right here is called Lucy. White shimmer is Maladane. And this one right here is called Belle. And this one right here is called Oz. I have my crease brush. Light green shade right here. It is called Fringe. That's called Marlin, and this is how it looks like. Shade that is called Evergreen. This is the Evergreen shade, and it's right here. Evergreen. It retails for $69 and it's available at Sephora. My honest opinions about this Natasha Denona Retro Glam palette. The first thing I like about are the shades. I love the color scheme of this eyeshadow palette. It is so pretty. Second thing I like about is that every single shade of this eyeshadow palette was very pigmented. Even the shimmer shades, so the matte shades and the shimmer shades was very pigmented, and that's what I'm looking for in an eyeshadow palette. So as I was swatching it for you, I did the swatches so you can see that the color came off very pigmented. And I also love the fact that it blends beautifully when I use all three of my brushes, my crease brush, my blend brush, and my shader brush. I just really liked how it blended well. It is very creamy, very buildable eyeshadow. Remember, it retails for $69 and it's available at Sephora. Yes, it could be a little pricey, but guys, you gotta know that you are getting 3 times 5, 15. So you are getting 15 shades for just $69, which is so worth it, because first thing is, like I said before, very creamy, very buttery, very pigmented. That's what you're looking for. You need an eyeshadow palette that all the shades, not just the matte, the shimmer shades as well, it is super pigmented. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe right here or right here, and I'll see you in my next video.